Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by cutting power and examining the obvious failure points: the power supply, USB/MIDI, and pad cabling. Once done, reseat every connector and feel for loose plugs. This often fixes intermittent issues. Make sure the mesh heads are seated correctly on their rims and that the rim clamps aren't stripping. Next, remove the module cover to check internal wiring and ground connections. Look for disconnected piezo leads. If you see corrosion, gently clean contacts before proceeding to adjustments. You now tackle the more intricate fixes. Inspect each pad's piezo sensor and solder joints with a multimeter for continuity and microsecond spikes. Once confirmed, power the module and access sensitivity, threshold, crosstalk, and choke settings. These control false triggers and dynamic response. Make sure to assign zones correctly. Head and rim must map to expected outputs. If a pad remains dead, swap it to a different module input to determine whether the issue is the pad or the brain. You finish by reassembling the pads and tower, tightening clamps evenly to avoid warping the mesh. Then, run a sequence of play tests, soft taps, rim shots, cross sticks, and full rolls to validate response across dynamics. Save your module presets once satisfied. If a pad still fails, swap the cable and port to confirm a wiring or module input issue. If failure follows the pad, replace the piezo disc or the mesh head assembly. That targeted swap is your fastest path to recovery.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.